So if you saw that little thing, before I do all that, before I get into all that, make sure you like, subscribe, and you hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I drop something new. And like I said the other day, I said in a post I did on Instagram, it ain't work if you're doing what you love. You know what I mean? I may not be the best at this, but I ain't the fucking worst either. So make sure you like, subscribe, and you know what I mean? You stick with me a little bit. So we're going to put some chicken wings together. We're going to do this, do that. Little homemade type of shit. You know what I mean? You know what I'm doing? Thank you for sticking around, and thank you for, I don't know, sticking with your boy. Hey, let's get this. All right, so you saw that little setup. It was just that it was the same buttermilk idea I used for that chicken, for that fried chicken sandwich. Same idea, same thing. I did some waffle fries inside of the chicken where I fried it out. I prefer blue cheese with stuff like that. This is the only type of like stuff I eat. I don't like ranch. I don't like stuff like that. Damn. Came out pretty good. Almost as good as Chick-fil-A. But let's give this look at that fire ass chicken wing. Damn. That's pretty good. It seems like it's crunchy, but it cooked all the inside good. You gotta cook them for a good 6-7 minutes though. Give them a good fry. I think it was gonna be that good. That's a good chicken wing. Look at that. Another one. Let's try it again. There's just something with that because I seasoned the flour a little bit and I kind of did it backwards and I did it forward, so I kind of switched it around. Legit. All right. See, these are the thicker ones though. Like when you get a leg, you always want to make sure you give them a little longer. I did them perfect. You know, all this stuff I've been doing, I pretty much learned on my own. I didn't have anybody teach me how to do it. I didn't have nothing else like that. So, you know what I mean? I mean, you can do it too. It's real simple, you know. You just gotta figure out timing, figure out stuff like that. There's a lot of mathematics involved in stuff like this. But this came out pretty good though. I used low-fat buttermilk because that's all they had. And I think if you use low-fat and you use regular buttermilk, you'll definitely see the difference. I think I'll do a video like that too, that shows the difference between the buttermilks. But dang, that's actually really, really good. Dang, them chicken wings came out good. Fries came out good. Oh man, I can't beat that. Dang, I did that. I did that. And y'all witnessed it. Dope. Hell yeah, guys. You know, doing stuff like this is pretty cool. I'd rather do a homemade. Just show you how I do it. You know, so I mean, you could do it yourself if that's what you want to do. You know what I mean? It's just hard out there, you know. It's a hard job, though. It's a hard job. I mean, just to keep up with everything that you're doing as far as having to live, having to do this, having to do that. It's pretty cool. I like that I find time to make chicken wings, to make breakfast, burritos, dinner, or just whatever. I love it. But I do love, don't get me wrong, I love all the support, like all the people everybody gives me and stuff like that. All the pointers and stuff like that. Super dope. People are super cool. Staying pretty moderate and just living life. So, you know what I mean? Best case scenario, stay here. I'm just staying working, doing my thing. Everybody's doing their thing. Big ups to everybody that does it. Nothing but love to y'all. Nothing but love, y'all. But heck yeah, guys, this just been a little home cooked version of Unbagging. Some nice little chicken wings. You know what I mean? I breaded them, showed you how to bread them. Buttermilk is like the secret ingredient here nowadays. So definitely give them a try. There's some wing sauce, but I could taste dill and stuff. Not a big fan of dill, so I kind of just left it out, so it's not a big deal. See what I did there? But for real, guys, word up to all y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that little bell so you be notified every time I drop something new. But on the real, guys, for real, been a blast hanging with y'all. Till we see each other again, you know what to do, baby. Be safe.